Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. We actually have an enhancement to the appointment confirmations that go out when you schedule appointments on the calendar. So you can actually now send those appointment confirmations with a photo of the representative. So it's really easy to set up, and I have a sample here on the left. This is what the photo looks like. This is a group team meeting that we have. And I want to just make a point. If your user does not have a photo, it does show a blank. So I think, definitely take the time to have all of your users post a photo in the MyBlindCo portal. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So not all users have access to the user tab, just admin folks. So admin users will have to do this. So you'll go to the user tab, select your representative, and then there you would choose a file, and then you would have that photo saved on your hard drive, and just hit choose file and hit update, and then that will save the photo into the user tab, and then all subsequent appointments for that user will have that photo. The only requirement is that it has to be a square JPEG usually works the best, but it's great new enhancement. A lot of people have been asking for photos for their sales and install teams. So if you have any questions, just reach out. We'll be happy to get them answered for you. Thank you.